In this video, we're going to have a look at how to annotate right on PDFs that you've put into content. So that's whether you've put a Word document or a PDF. They always come into Brightspace and are displayed as a PDF, which you can see on Katie's screen. So you may have a worksheet or some story or something that you want them to underline or circle things. There's actually a way in Microsoft Edge and Apple Safari to be able to annotate right on the PDF in content, save it, and then they could submit it to assignments or email it to you. So we're going to go through that now. Katie's going to show you how to do it in Microsoft Edge first.
Okay, so we're in an Edge browser right now, and I've clicked on a PDF that I have in my class shell. And ideally, this would be probably something more like a fill in the blanks or a question sheet or a worksheet, something like that. And the three ellipses here, I'm going to click on those. And this gives me the drop-down menu to be able to use these annotation tools. So if I want my students to, say, draw something within this PDF, each student will be able to do that, and page by page they can draw on this page. And they have the free draw there, or they could also, and they can, as you could see there, they could change the colors. They could also add text. So this was on page 2, I think. I'm just adding something so that when I save this, I know that it's saved. And so they can add text, they can make it bigger, they can do whatever they want to do there. And then they click again on the three ellipses and they press save. And we're going to save this into my, I think we're just going to save it into my desktop. And once we, I probably should have said annotations, but that's okay. Once we save it there, all of our annotations will be saved the way that we did them on the screen.
And the nice thing is too, is they can then take that and submit it to an assignment folder if you have an assignment folder pulled up, and you'll be able to see what they've written. This could be used for things like short answer if you have a PDF, or certain math questions and things like that. So it's a really nice feature that we hear from that educators want, that we found the solution for. So Katie's going to stop sharing her screen, and I'm just going to share mine and show you how to do it on a MacBook or iMac using Safari. So Katie, if you can just let me know when you can see my screen.
Yep, you're good.
Okay, so what you'll notice is in Safari, you don't have the same ellipses that show up at the top here. They're just not there. It's a different PDF viewer. But what's nice is if you just sort of hover down, you just want to scroll down here, and there it goes. This is actually where you're going to go, and you actually want to press this button right here beside the download button, and it will actually open it up in a separate folder. And then from there, you can actually annotate right onto it. It will ask you to save it first. So what you'll need to do is just go here, press here, and then put whatever you're going to call it. Let's just say I'm going to put my name down. I'm going to put it in my documents. I save it. Now that I've saved it and it's actually on my computer, I can use the annotation features, and I can highlight. I could write on it. I can add text boxes in the same way, all the same features. And then again, when I'm done annotating right onto it, I can save and submit that as well. So there's a number of features kind of available to you for that. Okay, so that's how to do that, and then you'll be able to submit it. So that's through Safari, and then you also have the ability to do that through Microsoft Edge, which is on all of our devices. The only thing at the time of the recording of this video, you are not able to do the same thing with Chrome. Chrome does not have the ability to do annotations directly through Brightspace. All right, thanks for watching.